So Vlad's going to bring his Mondial up to the Ducati Meetup at Rockwell Ducati. It should be a great day. If you've never seen a Mondial, it's got an RC51 engine. It's a very exotic and sought-after bike. Vlad's example is one of only 5 that are currently in the country, and Vlad's looks like the day it was made. Now, the people we ran into yesterday out on the road and people that were at Perry's, everybody to a man, thought, including Luciano, thought this was a really nice piece of carbon fiber. And the install is on a previous video, and Vlad is a dealer for these parts, and I'm hoping he's going to be able to get me to hug her very soon. We'll have another video of adding another key part to the bike. So much better looking than the fender that comes with the bike. I've seen this bike enough, to be honest. Looks good. So Vlad finally gets here, and we are ready. Nice carbon fiber work. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
What motor's in that? Is that a Yamaha on there?
I don't know.
Their history is.
Oh, it's on.
It's a Honda RC51 motor.
It's
a Honda twin?
Okay. Yeah, maybe
Some real exotic body work on this, and the carbon fiber. And this was just a beautiful day to have a meetup. And some of the guys with the other exotic bikes were oogling this bike endlessly.
nice rims on there, man. Holy shit.
You know what that is? It's half Kevlar and half carbon.
What, $5,000?
For what? That's an exotic set of wheels on a Ducati, baby. And everybody was oogling the Mondial. Everybody loved the paintwork, the color fades. Ducati Desmo Sedici. That looks great, huh, Jer?
Isn't that a good looking machine?
Beautiful, yeah. Beautiful.
I'm regressing. I'm going back to air oil too.
Yeah, that's all right. That's a good way to go.
Oh yeah, there's no radiator. It's oil cooled. Look at that.
Oh, it's air cooled. Wow, cool.
Air oil.
Air oil?
Yeah. And this is the 1250 engine. 1200. Oh, 1200 engine.
This is what I always like too, the blue pipes. Like the old Triumphs with the blue pipe.
Yes. And we used to try and get off.
Oh, there are more coming in here. Oh my God. These are the guys that don't have money. First you have the money guys, then the no money guys. Oh my God, forget it. Look at this. That's a beautiful machine, boy. Hey, Pokey, even you don't have this. Look at this. A BMW decal inside. Look at that. It's inside the headlight.
I see it.
That's it. And you don't substitute that with a Chinese work-off part. Beautiful, boy.
Look at this here.
That is nice. It's nice, yeah. Oh, you get what you pay for. Look. That is nice.
Now, is this the dressed out? Oh, look, we got the hot pipe on it already. Oh, wow.
He doesn't get one without piping. Yeah, he's what I'm thinking.
What is this over here, Ryan? Oh, that's some
That's
what?
that air thing.
Oh, all right, okay.
Well, I think we should just give him the trophy now. He's got the best bike here, no doubt
What else
about
I
it.
love? The Fox. Brings me back to my old diverters.
So the plan is a short ride around Moodna with Vlad and your buddy. What's your name? Mike. Okay. It was a great day to take a ride with Vlad and his friend, Mike. This loop around Moodna is really, really a nice area. It's really scenic and it's really very low traffic. And of course, the famous, world famous Moodna Viaduct. Has a great history. Google it, Moodna Viaduct. Unbelievable. And sometimes you catch these back roads where there's no traffic at all. And of course the scenery, no matter where you are, this time of year, beautiful. And the Mondial was following. It was really a good thing to look at her. So the three of us had a really nice ride. And these exotic bikes that Vlad collects, they're just awesome. But also, they don't just sit in garages, he gets out and rides them. And we ride him well. He does a good job of riding him well. So is that a good ride?
Awesome ride.
All right, good, good. Nobody crashed, nobody's in a ditch, nobody got a ticket. Nice.
What today is amazing.
What a day, huh? Amazing, huh?
Amazing.
So we're back from another wonderful ride. Just look at, wow. The scenery was beautiful today. Enjoyed seeing all our friends. It was just a special day. And listen to those church bells in the background. Anyway, I want to thank the COVID workers, thank the healthcare workers, thank everybody, and hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching. Now, if you're new to the channel, you might not have seen Vlad's complete collection of exotic bikes, and I don't even know how many he has. I've worked on many of them. I've repaired some, painted some, carbon fibered some, and I always enjoy riding with him. We try to ride a nice brisk pace, but certainly not the track day pace. The bikes are very collectible, very expensive, and very precious to the collector, as mine are too. Mine are a little less exotic. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to the healthcare workers. Thanks to Karen for getting me that MT-09. And to you, thanks for watching our video and sharing the channel.